Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage contracts with DocuSign, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the option to create a new envelope. In the new envelope window, click on the Add Document button. Upload the contract you want to manage. After uploading, click Next to proceed. In the recipient section, enter the email addresses of all parties involved in the contract. Assign roles to each recipient to clarify their responsibilities. Next, add any necessary tags or fields to the document. This includes signature fields, date fields, and text fields as needed. Once the document setup is complete, click Send to distribute the contract. After sending, you can track the status of the contract in your dashboard. To manage an active contract, click on the envelope from the dashboard. Here, you can view its status, see who has signed, and send reminders if necessary. If changes are needed, access the document and make edits as required. After editing, you can resend it for signatures if needed. Once all parties have signed, you will receive a notification. You can then download a final copy of the signed contract. For future reference, all completed contracts are stored in your DocuSign account. Regularly review your account to ensure all contracts are managed properly. That concludes the guide on managing contracts with DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.